now we have accelerator of electrons. Now the electrons has reached here at this point, they have reached. So now they will be bent through a magnet that is called a bending magnet. So what this bending magnet does is, there are different types of bending magnets. The idea is to, when the electrons have already been accelerated, the idea is to bend them down and to make them hit on a target. So this is the first type, bending magnet. But you can see, because of the mutual repulsion of electrons and the difference in speed, not all electrons are at the same speed. And you know, the Lorentz force of deflection from a magnetic field to an electron depends on the speed of the velocity of the electron also, v cross b. So the higher the velocity, more the force, so more deflection. The lower velocity means less force. So because of difference in velocity, the electrons which were very much centered at a location, they now start spreading, and then they spread and then they hit the target. So they do not create a very nice, because you know, the focusing what do you call it, the diameter of that focus will be very high in this case, and you will not have a very sharp X-ray images or very sharp X-ray production here, you know, because of those penumbra effect and all those things. We want it to be very sharp. So that is why scientists have designed another 270-degree bending magnet, in which the same effect happens, but it kinds of like negates itself, and then you have a very sharp bending here using 270 degrees. Nowadays they have designed this kind of bending, like this 12 degrees of bending. So this does not requires more space. Like this requires a long head crown here in the Linac, and then when the Linac goes to 180 degree, this is not very easy to pass it through the floor. You have to make some hole in the floor and all those things. So that makes it slightly difficult. So this design is more compact, the design 3. So these are some of the designs to bend the magnet. So nobody uses this 90 degree, either 270 degree or 112 degree. This is again explained. I think I have already explained it.